Hey guys, today we'll be installing Powerfold feature for the power mirrors on the Ford Ranger to activate through your remote control. We will now need to find constant power. We're going to use the red wire that goes to the module and your green 30 amp fuse. Not sure how good you can see that.
As long as you're telling them.
But they will be joining up together underneath the dash in the fuse holder. So in your wiring loom behind your mirror switch, you are now looking for a thick grey wire with a brown stripe. And taking your blue wire from the module, and that's what you'll be connecting to the grey wire. So green wire that is connected to the module, this will not be in use, just tuck away up under the dash. Once these processes have been finalized, you can tuck away the module up under the dash and connect the rest of your console back together and it'll be ready for use. So power folding mirrors module has been installed. We're going to test all functions of the Powerfold now. Now, we have closed the vehicle pressing the remote. Power mirrors have folded in. The way we have wired it up, if you unlock the vehicle, the power mirrors will not fold out, but when the accessories are on, they will fold out for you. From inside the cabin, you still have your override switch. You can still adjust mirrors in and out.